Hi guys, welcome back to another video on this channel and thanks so much for tuning in again. Now in today's video I want to tell you about my current hairstyling routine because as you might have noticed my hair has gotten pretty long. So why is that the case? Actually I thought that it would be a nice idea to try this during lockdown. That means to just grow my hair out and just see where it leads me. And actually I really enjoy the current length. I like that it's so full and that it still looks kind of good, and I'm really excited to see where this leads me. But it's a lot of work, and that's why I want to tell you guys how I style my hair during the awkward phase, which I'm currently obviously in. And I have a really simple trick or a really simple routine for this, and I'm super excited to tell you guys everything you need to know about this. So first of all, the product that I'm using today is the 5th Sample Styling Mask Pomade by Blue Man, which is probably the best product you can use to style your hair during this phase. Now I use this as a pre-styler on damp hair, and it works really well because it gives me a natural finish but a lot of control. It also nourishes my hair and it still washes out with water, which is great. You could alternatively also use another unorthodox water-based pomade or even an oil-based pomade, but I personally love to use this one because it gives me the best results. Other styling tools you will need is obviously some kind of brush. I recommend a normal vented brush or like some other brush, and also a round brush to go for the details. And also you will need a blow dryer like this neat little Dyson that I own, and you're going to need one of these two, which is either a diffuser or one of those styling things that you put on your blow dryer. And there will be two different ways that you can use these, which I'm going to explain to you in a minute. Starting out with damp hair, you should apply a reasonable amount of pomade to your damp hair. I personally apply 1 fingertip, so I don't really apply that much, or not as much as I would usually do, because I don't really want to run around with a pomade-y kind of hairstyle. I just want the controlling features that this gives me. So I just use less than I would normally do, and I just apply it evenly on my head. Then you should probably brush your hair because of the whole blow drying preparation thing, and then you can blow dry your hair. Now you're going to use one of two things. If you are lazy and you want this to go quickly, then you should use a diffuser. Now this is usually a tool for people with curls or people that want curls. However, I think that this works excellent for smoothing hair as well, so I really like to use it because it dries my hair super fast and my hairstyle is super neat and tidy afterwards. If you don't want things to go fast and you really want the maximum control and like the maximum neatness of your hair, then you should probably use this styling attachment and like do the usual blow drying thing to your hair that you've seen a gazillion times on YouTube. But yeah, since I'm kind of a lazy person and I found this to give me excellent results, I use this one. Now the technique that you will be using is you'll twist this and then pull your hair straight. So you go in circles around your head and you pull your hair to the direction that you want it to go in, and that's actually all you need to do. And you should stop when your head gets hot. So that's like the thing that this does, is it heats up your head in general, and that's why it works so fast and gives you such good results. Afterwards you can go for the details by using a round brush and using your styling attachment on your blow dryer. So especially around the ears or in the neck, you tend to get these curly strands of hair during the awkward phase, and you tame them by using a round brush with a pretty small diameter. You just straighten your hair with this and it works absolutely fine. And then in the end, the most important step is actually to cool your head down. So you should use the cold setting on your hairdryer and just brush your hair into the final position that you want it to be in. And this is super important, guys, because I used to skip this regularly when my hair was shorter, and it worked out really quite well. I mean, I didn't really have any issues in terms of hold, but with this length, it is absolutely crucial because you're not going to get your hair super slick if you don't cool your hair down at the end, meaning that your hair will jump back into position and become all poofy and all that stuff, and you don't want that to happen because that's really annoying when that happens. So make sure to cool your head down, guys, and that's about it with my styling routine. So first of all, apply some pomade, then use your hairdryer with a diffuser or a styling attachment, then use a round brush for the details, and then in the end, cool your hair down to make it last. That's about it. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Now leave this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment section down below. Make sure to subscribe if you're new, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.